Hi everyone, welcome to Sunroom Storytime. My name's Mr. Dan. Today I'm going to be reading the book Does a Ladybug Snore? And it's written by a friend of mine, John Laviolette, and it's illustrated by Dorene Pennell. What do you think? Does a ladybug snore? Does a Ladybug Snore? By John Laviolette. A bee flies from her hive to a flower, collecting pollen every hour. The honey she makes doesn't come from a store. But tell me, please, does a ladybug snore? A spider weaves a web that circles round. In the garden she may be found. Her house has no ceiling, no window or floor. But tell me, does a ladybug snore? A grasshopper sits high up on the grass, waiting for the gentle breeze to pass. It jumps up so high, watch how far it can soar. Tell me, please, does the ladybug snore? A butterfly has such beautiful wings, but it starts life as another thing. A caterpillar first, and then something more. But tell me, oh tell me, does the ladybug snore? A worm is slippery and kind of wet. You can find one in the ground, I bet. As a friend you will find he's quite a bore. Won't you tell me, does a ladybug snore? Another worm is small and likes to eat. An apple is its favorite treat. He'll keep eating and eating right from the core. But tell me, please, does a ladybug snore? An ant is quite busy, you'll plainly see. He hasn't the time for you or me. Finding food to bring home, it's daily chore. Can you just tell me, does a ladybug snore? I just want to know. The firefly has its own special light. Its belly glows in the dark of night. A flash of yellow shows through every pore. But tell me, does a ladybug snore? A fly may buzz all around through the air, with eyes so big it can't help but stare. It lands for a moment, then zips out the door. But I ask again, does a ladybug snore? Let's find out. A ladybug has spots upon its back. They are small and round and colored black. It likes the warm sun, and there's one thing more. Ladybugs, my dear, do not snore. And so that was Does a Ladybug Snore? I snore. I don't know if you snore, but I hope you enjoyed that book, Does a Ladybug Snore by John Laviolette. And I hope to see you again next time on Sunroom Storytime.